Hey, welcome back. We're going to do a taste test. I found in the cabinets this Wise Company Cheesy Lasagna meal. I've actually never had anything from the Wise Company before, so I don't know how good or bad this is going to be. It was in a lower cabinet against the outside wall, so hopefully it's still good. Google says that it's a 25-year shelf life on it. It doesn't say 25 years anywhere on this packaging. I don't know. It does say manufacturer date of November 14th, 2013. So that's going to put this at about 10 and a half years. You know, I don't remember buying it. I don't remember it ever being given to me. So, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So we'll see how this goes. It does have directions on there. It says open package at the notch, remove the oxygen absorber. Okay, add 2 cups of boiling water to the pouch and place on a flat surface, which will be the stove. Stir with a long spoon, close the zipper, wait 12 to 15 minutes, and it's going to be hot. And then open and eat after that. So let's see. Alright. Also trying to do this on camera too makes, of course, everything kind of awkward. Alright. I got it open. Water is boiling. Okay, I want to make sure I didn't tear or go through the zipper there. There's the oxygen absorber. If you want to see what this looks like inside. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll grab my flashlight. That's what it looks like inside. Does it stand? Okay, actually it kind of stands okay on its own. 2 cups of boiling water. Alright, couldn't find my measuring cups for cups, so we're going to use a half cup, so 2 cups of boiling water, so 4 of these. See how this goes. This is going to be the most dumb way to do it, but here we are. Runny or not this will be. 2. Remember, these are half cups, so I gotta do 4. I don't know where my full size stuff is. You know what I should have done, I'm sure somebody's gonna say it, is I should have put 2 cups exactly into the pot before I boiled it. Yeah, I didn't think of that. Alright, so we got that there. The water. Go ahead, give it a mix. There we are, all mixed up. Again, this is not sponsored by Wise. It's just something I found. Seal this up, and see you back here in 15 minutes. Well, I'm just going to do a cut. So you don't have to wait. So I'm going to cut it now. And we're back 15 minutes later. Let's see here. It says hot steam. I don't know. I don't think there's any hot steam coming out, but whatever. Let's see what it looks like. I'll move the camera. Oh yeah, lovely. Looks great. Yeah, looks great. But we'll see how it tastes. Okay, consistency seems okay. Yep. All right. Oh, okay. This is steaming off the spoon. All right. Let's switch it around. All right. I set the spoon back in the bag to switch the camera around, and it didn't move. That's kind of scary. Hmm. Yeah, I guess it's got some lasagna flavor. Um, really, I don't think I like it too much. Um, yeah, I don't even know if I would say that's a lasagna consistency. I mean, of course, it's not tough, it's not watery, so that's good. Um, I don't know. Some seemed kind of weird with it, kind of funky. So, I mean, if that's what you had in a grid down long term scenario, it's edible. But for everyday life, out of 10, I would probably give it a 3.5, maybe a 4.5 or 5 if you were in a survival situation, or fend for yourself type of thing. But yeah, not for me. Maybe Wise, make some great other stuff. I don't know how. Again, I haven't tried it. Maybe just the environment that was sitting in affected it. I don't know, but that's where I am. So that's it for this taste test. Let me know below your favorite meal company, or if you do like Wise, what is your favorite meal by Wise? So remember, get outside, do a science, enjoy life, all that stuff. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.